I'm live. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Hello, Bhavna. Am I clearly visible? Audible? Thank you. Am I audible? We'll just wait for a few more people to join in. Hello. Hi, Shika. Just say if the video and audio is clear. Okay. Shika says yes. We would want more people to join in. Then we'll start. Another 5 minutes, maybe. Unfortunately, I'll try and speak loudly. Just keep it closer. ईयरफोन थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है. It doesn't work in my phone. Okay. I will start when you give a heads up. Where is Kashish? सबका चाय नाश्ता सब हो गया. Evening snacks. Hi Mugdha. Hello. We're just waiting, Mugdha. Bhavna, you tell me if I should start now. Hi, Neha. Or should we wait? Okay, all right. We'll wait for a few more minutes. I'll just do a little bit of adjustment. Right. All set. Shall we? Hello, ma'am. Thank you for joining in. Okay, I think we can begin. We'll not wait all of you to wait. So people can just join in. Yeah, good evening, everyone. I am Priya Sitaraman. You must have seen my profile or read my profile. I'll just give you a brief introduction about me, what all I do, so that you can easily connect what I'm going to speak. Yeah, hello. I'm a psychologist and a counselor by profession. Counselor, I work for the juveniles at juvenile court. I'm a juvenile justice counselor. Forensic psychology is my profession, and I'm also into clinical psychology. I'm pursuing my MA. I'm an entrepreneur um, by passion and profession. I conduct workshops, counseling based workshops for children and for parents. It's basically on the value education, values and morals. So I've been in this for the last 2 years, 2.5 years. Yeah, hi Hetal. Um, Another startup is about Inside Your Mind. What it does is basically counseling and various workshops. That's the holistic thing about. Yeah, so, and I'm also a founder of NGO. So it's been 3 years now. So, okay, let's get started. Yeah. So today you must have seen the topic. We are here to discuss about de-stressing and detoxing of your body and mind. So I don't want it to be a very formal and gyan type session today. So let's take it lightly, okay? I want it to be more interactive. So please post your questions as and when so we discuss, so I can go through and we can discuss about it. Ask me anything. I'm a holistic wellness enthusiast. I've been practicing, believing in this with a lot of research and analysis since last 3 years or so. Okay, so about health and wellness, basically. So I've also posted in a couple of posts, I think, in Win group. Yeah. Okay. So today we're talking about de-stressing and detoxing. Those who are new to this concept, or maybe everybody is aware, of course, anxiety and stress and everything. So I'll not go into it. So let's basically understand how it is, what it does to you, and how you can handle it well, how you can cope up. Yeah. Okay, having said this, don't just look at me only as a counselor or a psychologist. I've also been in this fighting it for over a number of years, I would say. So also see me where I'm coming from. So I speak with my own experiences that I would like to share here today, because बहुत बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, and people might feel I'm talking about those who are literally fighting. It could be a physical illness, or it could be your mental illness, if you're fighting depression, or you're going through some kind of trauma, or life threatening challenges, or anything, all you know challenges basically. So that's where I'm coming from. So I want you to relate with me what I'm saying. Whatever I'm saying here today in front of you, it's all tried and tested. It's all, as a patient myself, I've gone through it, and then how I have overcome with immense power and strength. And also I'm a psychologist and a therapist, and I'm also a certified spiritual energy healer. Yeah. So I believe in karma and spirituality. I've been practicing, following it last few years. So I've immensely benefited um, with this. So that's why I believe in, I always couple and blend spirituality and psychology. So it's a beautiful combination if you just see. So ये पूरा जो भी है spirituality and psychological concepts and therapies related, we're going to discuss it today. Yeah, okay. So I'm still waiting for more questions. Before I'll keep browsing it as and when you post any question. Okay, stress and anxiety, more or less, it's the same thing. So let's talk about, you know, prolonged stress, and it leads to more anxiety and depression. Yeah. It starts with the basic thing one must understand is about stressing yourself. So stress concept kya hai? What are the components of stress? It is worry, it is fear, it is distress behavior, or it could be anything to do with your trauma. It could be related to your physical body and mind are in sync always. So one or the other, both of them interrelated. It affects, if your mind is affected, it shows and manifests in physical symptoms. If you're physiologically affected in any form, in any pain, any suffering, it affects your mind as well. So both are interrelated. Many times even the therapists, psychiatrists, they call it, if it is not to be as a medical diagnosis. Yes, sure, Mugdha, I would, in between, I would want to share how I have overcome. I don't want to bore as well. So coming back to the physiological symptoms, what the therapists say is, if they are not able to understand or diagnose what is your cause of your symptom or something, so it could be related to your mind, long prolonged stress that you have been carrying within yourself. So they call it as psychosomatic. I think many of you must be aware of it. Yeah. Okay. So this is a whole thing about stress and anxiety. So if it is prolonged, of course, it leads to clinical depression. Depression, it could be in any form. So I've also fought clinical depression. So that's where I'm coming from. So क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? कैसे fight किया जाए? How do you overcome? How you can handle your own emotions well? What it does to your body? So all these things we're going to talk here. When I say clinical depression or stress related, anything to do with extreme stress, let's talk about not like, okay, झाड़ू नहीं हुआ, पोछा नहीं हुआ. So ये सब छोटी छोटी जो चीज़ें होती है. Thank you, Mugdha. So actually stress starts from small little things, minutest of detail. If you just see many people, not now, even before the lockdown also, I've heard many people saying, oh maid nahi aayi to stress ho jate hain. Stress starts to, their bp shoots up and other stuff. So what are these symptoms? So that's why I said it could be in any form, it could be anything related to it. It could be न्यूज़ देखते ही बहुत एंजाइटी हो जाते हैं, बहुत एंक्शियस हो जाते हैं, any negative news or anything. So all these are panic creating. So panic is always contagious. Yeah. So छोटी छोटी चीज़ें से लेके it just blows up, what the situation we are in right now. So this is what stress, holistically, if you just see, it could be varying from small little things, the bigger picture. Yeah. So let's talk about in detail as to insights kya hai, tips kya hai, so that come what may, whatever situation you are in, you're able to withstand and have all the courage to fight it. Okay, I'm not still staying, I'm still fighting, I'm still having all my issues and problems, but today I'm still able to counsel others, I'm still able to talk to people and share my journey, share my insights and tried and tested things that have worked for me. So that's what I'm doing. So it's all about the strength. Okay. So when I just say stress or depression, anxiety, जो भी है, it could be in any form, right? So it could be your physical illness that you're suffering through for a longer time. That also creates panic or creates more anxiety, and that also pushes you into the depressive state, and that's really more stressing, right? So यही हुआ था मेरे साथ भी. So I'm just trying. What I'm going to do is my journey, my story, along with the tips. So that's what I've planned it for the day, so that it's not boring, it's not too much for you, so that you can relate as well. See, the positivity or being having more strength to fight and everything seems to be goody goody. Then you say you're positive. No, that's not the real strength. What I'm talking about, what we're going to discuss here, is when you are faced with any challenge, when you are facing a traumatic event, um, when you are encountered with any life-threatening illness or anything traumatic, that's when, yeah, that's when your real strength, real courage, real positivity comes into picture. That's what it shows. Okay, इतने से इतना होने के बावजूद भी how well you are able to cope up and stand strong, that what matters a lot. Yeah. Okay. So when we talk about staying positive in negative situation, being positive, having more strength when anything goes wrong, so that's the most important thing. So how you can de-stress yourself. Okay. मैंने क्या किया था? See, first thing, it all starts with your intention. It all starts with your acceptance. Okay. The moment anything goes wrong, we start to question ourselves. So immediately we crib to God, the Almighty. Okay, let's not talk about religious things. You may not be a religious person, but spirituality is everything. I mean, it's a holistic thing. It's about your wellness, it's about your well-being. So everybody believes in some universal power, right? There is some power beyond us, right? Everything, we cannot be doing it, right? So there's something, kuch to hai, universal power. Let's call it as universal power. So we start to question, so we start to crib. Okay, ye mere saath kyun ho raha hai? The moment you talk about why me, then that's it comes down to zero. So you lose your confidence, you lose your inner strength, and all the negativity starts to build up, because it is law of attraction. it is law of attraction. So law of attraction kya hoता, what is it? So it is about what you throw into the universe, it comes back to you. So you're talking negative, you're feeling negative emotions, and then you're attracting the same thing. So this is what happens when you start to question first. So everything is not in your hands, right? There is a limit to anything that you can control, or you can change, or you can find a solution to any kind of problems. So यही हो जाता है. So when something goes wrong, what went wrong with me, I'm just going to share it with you all. We don't, we should not question, yeah, the accept the reality. So this is the sad reality. Then you know, step back, and then, okay, what are the possibilities, what are these steps that I have to do to not go down, yeah, to keep up my spirit, to keep my chin up, and then motivate myself, and then keep me going. What that comes at a later stage. But first thing first, first, what is the thing? It is about accepting your reality. Okay. Now I'm coming to the journey, what I'm been describing. 2 साल पहले, exactly 2 years back, 2018 April 24, I can never forget. So all of a sudden, one fine morning, I just became immobile. Immobile. I usually, वो बच्ची को खाना पकाने के लिए उठते हैं ना, so 5 o'clock, as I woke up, I just could not move my limbs, both my legs. Okay, I used to be very super active, very hyper, I could say. So it was, it came as a shock. Of, okay, I didn't understand. I didn't really. Initially, वो पता नहीं चलता. I thought I must be overexerted, and no, something goes wrong. Okay, let me go slow and everything. But इसका background history भी है. I'll just connect you. So जब ये हुआ था, it was like I could not move, I could not completely move at all. So we thought, okay, let's wait it out and see. So time was just flying, and then we thought it's time to go check on a doctor. ये जो बैकग्राउंड हिस्ट्री में जो बोल रही हूँ, बहुत सालों से, बहुत मतलब 8-10 years I used to be in severe pain. Leg pain होता था, and that too especially at night. It used to bother me, sleepless nights for many months. It used to be there for many years. So I'd run to pillar, from pillar to post, visiting all the doctors and everything. Nobody could diagnose exactly what it is. So I just left it. I got fed up of all the treatment. I tried everything, all the alternative therapies and everything. It was not in my hand. So I kept going. So I just ignore. Night में pain होता था, कुछ करो, oil apply करो, something, and then I forget about it in the daytime. So I was always busy. So I keep forgetting. And then this started happening during the daytime also. So it was like, to cut it short. And then we went to the doctor, and it was diagnosed as autoimmune disorder. So autoimmune disorder is your own immune system is attacking itself. Okay, nothing can be done. There is no treatment. There is no treatment as in just to keep you going. That's it. It's about your maintenance. So ये एक बार हो गया तो फिर there are many such disorders. There are hundreds of different autoimmune disorders. So उसमें मेरे साथ जो हुआ था, I was diagnosed with the neuritis. Neuritis is you just call it as nerve damage. So motor nerves damage हुआ था. So it was that's what happened with me. So that's why I couldn't all of a sudden could not move. Yeah, because it has been invading. So जो pain की बात कर रही हूँ, so I always say it, if you just see in my post, do not ignore chronic pain. So all these are chronic. Okay. So why we are talking about body here? Because your body and mind are connected. It is interlinked, right? Whatever आप इधर feed करते हो, so it affects. Okay, so you'll have to feed in a balanced way, both to your body and to your mind. What are we feeding? Okay, the negative emotions and everything, lifestyle changes, what we have to adapt to ourselves. What do we do now? So yahi hai. So having said this, the what I was saying, I'm sorry. ये भी एक सिम्टम है, ब्रेन फॉग दे कॉल इट एज. सडनली जो बात करते हैं इमीडिएटली यू जस्ट फॉरगेट अबाउट एवरीथिंग. ये भी हुआ था मेरे साथ. So I just forget completely. So now I'm not forgetting. Don't worry. So ये जो मोटर नर्व्स, इसलिए जो पेन बहुत सालों से जो हो रहा था, one fine days I just could not. It's completely damaged. Motor nerves, you understand, right? It's throughout our body, right from your brain till your necks. Everything is sensory and motor nerves. So luckily, fortunately, I would say sensory nerves kuch nahi hua, and motor nerves complete shutdown. So that's what happened with me. It started to be, yeah, right, Bhavna. So started to spread throughout the other motor nerves as well. So because मेरे right hand में भी हुआ था, so I could not lift my right hand. Now I'm doing, so I'm all good. So ये हुआ था, and then it affected my speech. It affected the throat, the जो motor nerves इधर जो हो रहा है ना. So complete phase, it started to spread so rapidly. Hello, hi. So I was in the ICU, so we consulted a neurologist. So I was completely on the wheelchair, and we were completely clueless, okay? But I was just enjoying, enjoying in the sense, not in the literal sense. It is about, okay, ho gaya, okay? What is it for you to just panic about, be anxious about, और आपके हाथ में कुछ नहीं है. We just have to wait for the right specialist to treat us and then come out of it. Then everything is in your hands. Okay. क्या होने वाला है, आप दुखी होके या it is contagious, right? And everything, you spread it. You spread all the negativity to your family members as well, and then you can't do anything about it. So the first thing what I did, or maybe God's blessing, so I just accepted it. That's the reality, right? You know what I mean? So जो इंसान बहुत used to be very very hyper. मेरा एनजीओ भी चल रहा था तभी. It was so many responsibilities ahead and in front of you. Yes, you got that. That's the first key. Acceptance is the first key, and then it's half done. And then number two is we are talking about what you can do. Make the best out of the worst situation. Making the best out of worst situation is the second thing. ये आप दोनों follow करोगे आप लोग, then definitely we are through. Okay, then automatically, instantly, all the strength comes to us, all the power, courage, and everything. It's just bestowed on us. It showers. Okay, you believe in that. Okay, it's all about your intention and belief. What do you intend? Okay, you believe in, this is what I want to be. This is what I wish to think it over, or or change for good. So all this is your intention. So you intend that I want to change for the good. Okay. So we're talking about these two. So this is what I did. When I was in the wheelchair, I didn't know what is life is ahead of me. Of course, we were clueless completely. What is going to, whether I'm going to be walking, I'm going to be like before, I'm going to be a normal person, or nothing at all, because they were not able to diagnose in the first place. मैं एक स्पेसिफिक की तरह लेटी रहती थी आईसीयू में. all of them just used to every now and then come and discuss, ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, वो ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. So I just had a lot of fun, talking, hearing, listening to them, and I never cribbed. I never cried. But of course, I'm also a human being. Yeah. Initial stages may I first accepted it. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, I will not lose my strength. I will not lose my courage, my spirit, and everything. I will fight it. Okay, though this is what I told God. Okay, I speak with Him. So you throw me all the challenges. You throw me. I'm talking about everyone. Okay, this is what we should go about doing, so that we are always equipped to handle any kind of emotions, anything that is life throwing at you, any traumatic events, any challenges. इसलिए मैं ये सब पूरा डिटेल में बता रही हूँ. All these are de-stressing, detoxing, how you going to handle yourself. uh, they were not able to diagnose, so इसलिए so ये सब जो मैं बोल रही थी ना, I don't know whether I'm going to be cured or not. So, after a long, long time, then I started to research and analyze and read a lot of articles about what is autoimmune. तो ये पूरा मैं पूरा जानकारी लिया. That's when my holistic journey started also. I started to explore a lot of alternative therapies, alternative healing therapies, and self-healing therapies. Right from hypnosis से लेके बहुत कुछ aromatherapy and acupressure, you name anything. I've just tried on myself, because वो pain की बात कर रही हूँ, it was excruciating. I just would say, take off my legs. I just could not bear it. Take off my legs. I don't want my legs. It used to be that severe, that bad. But but I made it a point that I will kill this. I will kill this pain, suffering, जो disease है, जो भी है. I know it's not in my hands, but I will come out of it. I will do don't go to any extreme, any situation, that I will fight it. I'll keep fighting. I'm still fighting. Okay, it's not still cured. I'm still not 100% normal. That's what the whole autoimmune is about. It is some days are good, some days are bad, but how you deal with it is what matters. Okay, so first thing what I did is accept it. So I told him, okay, you आप कुछ भी दे दो, but give me all the strength and courage. I will take it happily. I will take it happily. आप कुछ भी दे दो मुझे, बहुत सारे परेशानी जो भी दे रहे हो ना, आई एम रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट. जस्ट एक्सेप्ट विद अ स्माइल in your mind, and just wait and watch for the magic to happen. Then automatically your strength goes double, it goes high, and you will be able to, believe me, you will be able to deal with any kind of situation. एंड ये जो 2 साल की पहले की बात कर रही हैं, इसके बहुत साल पहले आई फॉट डिप्रेशन ऑल्सो. उस टाइम पे इट यूज टू बी, देयर वर नो अवेयरनेस एट ऑल, मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस बहुत साल पहले. अभी अभी ये it is just coming up, and many therapists, many psychologists. On those days it was like, I could not even share it how I feel. I could not even, nobody was able to understand. Sorry. Nobody was able to understand what I'm going through. So what are those depressing symptoms, like unexplained fear, unexplained sadness, or of course it's a prolonged stress that you built it within yourself. You've not been able to venting it out. You've not been de-stressing yourself. You're not detoxing. किसी से बात नहीं कर रहे हो. All these are getting piled up, and it is within you. So you've been suffering. So a lot of physical illness also comes into place, and ये बहुत सालों से होता है. It's not just one flip of a second and next day you flip into depression. ऐसा नहीं होता है. So इसीलिए chronic stress, chronic pain, chronic suffering जो भी है, it's not been untreated, then you will get into all these. I'm not scaring you. So please be watchful. So how you can be watchful, or what all the things that you need to be mindful of, or keep an eye on your near and dear ones, your family, friends, or colleagues, or it could be anything. So अचानक से रोना, without any reason, without anything at all. Okay, what is there? Just feel like crying, or you just feel irritated, frustrated all the time. You're not normal. You're not yourself, how you used to be, smiling and laughing, and I mean, all the time cheerful. So, yeah, once in a while, if it happens, don't bother. It is bound to happen. Once in a while, it has to happen. You feel like crying, you cry. That is also another venting out mechanism. It's also one way of detoxing to some people. Of course, not everyone feels like, but don't build it up within yourself. Don't pile it inside. Don't keep suffering inside of you. Have these mechanisms, what we're trying to discuss here. So आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो, so that you, the ultimate goal is to keep your body and mind fit all the time and be positive and uh, healthy and happy, right? So दोनों चीज आपको देखनी पड़ेगी. So how do you detox yourself? Am I halfway here? So okay, then I'll go back again. um, so this is what happened. So I started my journey with all this acceptance, जो मैंने बताया था. So it is and then I did crazy things. You believe or you bet, I did crazy things. Can you ever imagine what I did the moment I this happened on this particular day, before even going to the hospital? The next day, immediately, I did something which I talked about, the second point, right? I told about making the best out of worst situation. Best out of waste सुना होगा ना हम लोग, प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. सो आजकल की इट्स वेरी कॉमन, राइट? मेकिंग बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट, लाइक लेफ्ट ओवर फूड हो गया, कुकिंग हो गया, रिसाइकल, रीयूज एंड एवरीथिंग. What is that best out of waste situation, best out of worst situation? Okay, something has gone wrong. Yeah, in my case, I've just explained what went wrong. And first thing is, I accept it. Yeah, this is the reality. Okay, I'll have to wait and watch क्या होने वाला है. ठीक है, अच्छा होगा तो ठीक है, ना बुरा होगा तो भी ठीक है. But I will keep fighting. Okay, we bought the wheelchair also, so you can imagine. So initially हम लोग रेंट पे ले रहे थे, बट अभी मेरे पास, आई होल्ड दिस, आई हैव अ पोसेशन ऑफ अ व्हील चेयर. सो तब ये माइंड, ओके, this is what is going to be my life. Whether I used to be a dancer, I'm passionate about dancing. So everything was going on in my mind. Okay, will I be able to stand on my feet? Will I be able to walk? Or even pursue my passion, pursue my dancing career? Or I used to be a Kathak dancer. So I was learning also. I gave, so all these were just going on, disturbing my mind. And then आप समझ रहे हो ना मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? So then comes the to chin me up. Okay, chinning me up, or I'm talking about everyone. Okay, keeping yourself happy. Do not give it to others. Do not wait for somebody else, third person, to come and motivate you, or to come and cheer you up, or say something positive, say something happy about you, or create a blissful situation. No. So always it is within you. You have everything in your hands. So first thing, it has to come from you. So what you can do to create that situation of best out of ways to chin you up, I'm talking about. So that is another de-stressing, detoxing, what we're talking about. मैंने क्या किया था? Any guesses? I did crazy stuff. I did crazy things. Because ये दूसरी दिन की बात कर रही हूँ, before even I was getting hospitalized or something. I called a parlor lady. So waxing, pedicure, manicure, सब कराया घर पे. I just could not stand. I knew that there's something wrong with my legs. So this is going to be a long journey as well. तो वो पता चल गया बिकॉज दैट वाज वेरी अनयूजुअल राइट. सो ये कभी नहीं हुआ है मेरे साथ, तो वो अचानक हो गया. यस, योर हैप्पीनेस इज इन योर हैंड ओनली. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो वो सिचुएशन को हैप्पी मोड में कैसे आप चेंज कर सकते हो. इट इज़ इन योर हैंड्स अगेन. सो आई everyone started looking up to me and मेरी सोसाइटी में बहुत लोग जानते हैं मुझे. So they just all came to my place that just for the sake of okay तुम कैसे ये सब कर रहे हो, तुम कैसे how was it even possible. Okay, it's very strange. They used to be calling me a strong woman, inspiring this and that and everything, but I felt happy. Okay, if this is what is bringing a change in you, I'm happy to share my uh, journey. I'm happy to share what all I did. So पहली चीज़ मैंने ये किया था. दैट लेडी वॉज वेरी मच शेकन. शी सेड मैं क्या करूँ, आपको कैसे मैं करूँ. सो शी वॉज कम्प्लीटली आउट ऑफ शेप. आई सेड नो मैटर व्हाट कराओ, बिकॉज पैर ही तो दिखाना है सबको. डॉक्टर के पास जाने के बाद एवरीबडी विल एग्जामिन माई लेग्स राइट. सो इट हैज़ टू बी ब्यूटिफुल राइट. सो वैक्सिंग किया, पेरिक्योर मैनिक्योर सब किया, एंड देन आई वेंट टू माई पार्लर. Went, I told my husband, मुझे ले चलो, and he was supportive. I went to my hairdresser in Viman Nagar. So he was completely in shock of his life. I was like holding two people, both on both sides. They had to literally drag me. Okay, they somehow made me sit on the chair. कि क्या करना है? Haircut कराया मैंने. I wanted to look good. So that again, so I'm just talking about crazy stuff. Okay, so whatever you feel very good to boost your confidence, to boost your spirit high up in the sky, तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. People may call you crazy, no matter what. Of course you have to be happy. So हमारी खुशी बहुत important है right. Then see the difference. Then see where the strength is coming from, how confident you feel, how motivated you are, how happy you are. And all everything goes like a goody goody fairy tale kind of. Okay, but of course crazy भी बुला रहे थे. And it was like, and then I continued with my struggle, with my I was in the ICU, I was in the hospital for a week's time, and then they injected steroids and other stuff. And then after home, also, I was in the bed. I was completely bedridden for more than 3 months, and then slowly, it started to walk with support and everything. Today, I also performed after 2 years of this struggle. I performed dance performances. Believe me, it took a long journey for me to. It was not easy. It was not at all easy for me. I did adapted myself to a lot of lifestyle changes, starting from the food habits. I've already explained. Anti-inflammatory diet में थी, so I used to eat only salads. Exercise, I go for cycling. जितना walk कर सकते हो करो. Push all the time. Keep pushing. So that today I'm talking about all of these in front of you. I could not even, ये होने के बाद 6 months के बाद my speech was affected. Uh, I could not swallow. It was choking. Okay, that's another. तो second time भी hospitalized हुई थी. So they just put me on steroids again, and then I came out of it. After 2-3 months, I gave my first speech workshop, a parental workshop. I was just in emotional happy tears that time because just कुछ ही दिनों पहले ये बात नहीं करने को हो रहा था. It was just shocking. I lost my speech. I was completely. It was very critical, I would say. So I've come a long way. So for you to go a long way is all about your own strength and your acceptance, what we're talking about. So this is one of my journey. So what other things that I kept doing in this holistic or spiritual journey is about detoxing your mind. Okay, how do you detox your mind? Okay, I have been following, practicing these three, 4, 5 things. Okay, this is about your holistic wellness as well. Yes, we are all our fighters, Neha. People still call me all of these jargon, so that keeps me going. That I push myself all the time. I don't give up. I don't give up at all. So always see. Another thing I would say, just say, is I have found my purpose of life. Okay, so that also helped me. You know, this is my purpose of life. Okay, I cannot just go down. I cannot be unhappy. Life, there's so many responsibilities ahead in front of me. I have to fight. I cannot give up. I have to fight till the last breath, come what may, whatever, even emotional trauma, emotional disturbances, as I said about depression and everything, I have fought. I have fought over, and I have overcome all of this. In fact, ये जो मेरी psychology qualification, therapy related, everything started much after that. In fact, when I was also under psychiatric treatment way back. I'm talking about many years back. So कोई हेल्प नहीं था तभी, अवेयरनेस नहीं था. सो बहुत ढूंढ ढूंढ के थेरेपी एंड साइकोलॉजिस्ट को ढूंढ ढूंढ के निकाला. आई यूज टू गो ऑन माई ओन एंड I found a psychologist therapist, so I used to go to her. And तब से लेके, in my first session, I used to think, I made up my mind, okay, I will pursue my own uh, career in this field so that I can heal myself and also heal others. So that's when my psychological counseling and other all these therapy related journeys started way back. So today I'm also coupling this Western science with the spirituality. How you can blend these two. So one is about okay, understanding your behavior, understanding your mind and everything, but spiritually also how you can do this. We've already talked about making the best out of worst situation and acceptance. That's the real must. Two already over. Number three, what is it? Forgiveness. Okay, we all have been carrying some kind of childhood trauma or unsolved um, conflicts, so it just gets piled up. We may have forgotten, we may think, it may assume that you have forgotten it, you have forgiven someone, but deep within you, your subconscious mind ye store ho jata hai. Okay, and we keep carrying it for many years. And now bet on that. If I just tell you to sit in meditation and then visualize that one person in front of you, and then start to forgive, you will be in tears. You will definitely be in tears, because that's the heaviness, that's the trauma that we've been carrying for many years. God knows how many years. It stays within you. क्या हो जाता है, ये जो deep within you, without even you realizing, without even you knowing about it, it starts to manifest differently in different people. It starts to affect you tremendously, immensely, in physical suffering, in physical pain form, or it could be in, you slip into depression and everything. So very important lifestyle change, or you can call it as a detoxing thing. What you have to do for your mind, what you feel. Forgiveness sadhana, how do you do it? Whenever you sit in silence, or even try to sit in meditation, if you're able to do it, forgive yourself first. if you have done anything wrong, yeah, to anybody or to yourself. You feel guilty about something. Okay, मैंने ये किया, गलती कर दिया, ये बहुत बार आपने बहुत बार रिपीट भी किया होगा. So first start to forgive yourself of all the wrong things that you feel it, yeah. And number two, picture somebody, imagine, visualize someone in front of you whom you think, you feel that they have caused you trouble. You'll have to start forgiving them. I forgive you of all the wrongdoings that you have caused unto me, knowingly, unknowingly. This is number two. It's a three-step process. That's what I'm trying to explain here. Number three is you seek forgiveness from the same person. Okay, many a times unknowingly or knowingly, you might also have caused something, said something wrong. हम कुछ कुछ ऐसे छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बोल देते हैं, फिर भूल जाते हैं, और मे बी इट वुड हैव हर्ट देम इमेंसली, हमको पता नहीं. सो या कशिश, सो दैट्स वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट to first forgive you yourself. It starts with that process. Without you forgiving yourself, बाकी चीज़ें काम नहीं करेगा. So that is all the more important, because I did this. I felt really it just used to be a magic. जो कोई भी मेरी फैमिली में, मेरी लाइफ में आए हुए थे, I have also handled rejection from someone, like a friendship. It was just about to be broken. Then it was like too much for me. I could not handle it many years back. So it was like ending my life. I just could not take it. I don't know how to deal with it. And then comes this practice of, I started my meditation journey, spiritual journey. That's when it started. And then I used to every day sit in meditation and then do this forgiveness practice. So 2 महीने में ही I could see the difference. The same person came back into my life. It was all normal. So that's magical. If you just believe gratitude, practice, and forgiveness sadhana, it is magical, because you're doing this as a routine. You have to feel it from your heart. You believe in that and then do it. Without belief, of course, nothing works. So what do? You forgive yourself and you seek forgiveness from the person who has caused harm to you, and you also forgive them. Yeah, ये 3 step बहुत ज़रूरी है. And next comes the gratitude practice. You all must be knowing, many people have been doing right now. It's thank you practice, and it's being grateful for. But every day आप कर रहे हो क्या? That's what matters the most. Every day we all ठीक है, हम लोग gratitude है हमको, but you have to do it every day from the bottom of your heart. So it is like, you know, name all the people in your life, name everyone. Okay, visualize everyone in your life, your surrounding people and everything, and pass on this thankfulness, pass on this gratefulness, what you're grateful for. Thank your husband, thank your in-laws, thank your, even if they are, even if you are in abusive relationship, even if you are in any kind of conflicts with anyone, just do these two. Definitely it will help you. It is another holistic practice. It's a wellness practice. We call it as detoxing, in other words. Yeah. So positive attitude is another thing. So as we talked about all of this, so automatically ये half battle won. Then you are in that positive state. Positive attitude क्या हो जाता है? So we're talking about affirmations here. You affirm to yourself. It's nothing but law of attraction. What you throw in the universe, you attract the same. If you feel negative, if you talk negative, you attract the same thing in your life. So why do we be anxious? Why do we have to be uh, conflict about, why do we have to feel conflict about anything, or why do we have to be fearful? Okay, panic is always contagious. So ये जो मोड ऑन रहता है तो ऑफ कर दीजिए उसको. And another thing, so we're talking about the affirmations. Yeah, affirmations, it works like magic again. आपको feel करके every day practice करना है. It's about your what you wish to achieve, what you wish to manifest, what you desire. So ये affirmation के through you say it to your mind. So this is what we call it as 21 times practice. Many experts have been doing. So आप ये सब follow कर सकते हो. And then let's talk about another few more aspects of how you can detox your body and mind. I'm just adjusting my camera. Yeah. So let me ask you one question. How many of you keep doing this self-talk? Self-talk कितने लोग करते हो? So this is one therapy. In fact, we do it for our clients when in one such psychotherapy sessions में. It is to do with your introspection. Yeah. So बहुत बार कैसा हो जाता है. So we look up to others. We always want to talk to others, how we feel about, we want to share something. So yeah, how we want to, what we feel about. But कभी कैसा ये किया है क्या? सेल्फ टॉक किया है? Mirror talk? Actually, if you just see, from my childhood, I had this habit of high supraja. Unknowingly, of course, उस टाइम पे पता नहीं था ये एक थेरेपी है. It is one such psychotherapy what we do for the client settings. I used to do बचपन में mirror talk करती थी. तो it was like soothing. It used to be you find answers sometimes. Okay. तब नहीं पता था बट अभी पता है. सो आई यूज टू गो फॉर रेगुलर वर्क्स. अभी नहीं बात कर रही हूँ, बहुत सालों से. इट इज़ वन ऑफ माई एक्सरसाइजिंग थिंग. सो ऑलवेज व्हाट आई डू इज़ वॉकिंग जब करती हूँ, आई टॉक टू माई सेल्फ. I introspect a lot. So that gives me a lot of answers to various questions, different problems that I've been dealing with. क्या करना है, क्या कर सकते हैं. So always in the morning, this is what happens. So when you just after you're ready for going for a walk or something, I have never used a phone. Like walking करते से you must have seen many people doing, तभी बात करते हैं किसी और के साथ और गाना सुनते हैं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस इज बैड, बट दिस इज बीन माई वे ऑफ दैट मी टाइम यू कॉल इट, साइलेंस में, बिकॉज यू आर विद इन यू एंड लॉट ऑफ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, लॉट ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन हैपन्स दैट टाइम. एंड मुझे मेरे साथ बहुत बार हुआ है कि I have found answers to many different problems during my walking. So सोचते सोचते I talk to myself and I introspect a lot and I reflect upon. So ये क्या किया है, I could have done this, और ठीक है ये ऐसा कर सकते हैं. So all this comes under your self talk or a mirror talk you can do. This is another therapy. It's a detoxing thing. How do you do it? If anybody is new to this, I can just go a little bit beyond this explaining. How do you do it? You can just, as if you're talking to somebody else, bring out all the emotions. Okay, you want to cry, you want to share your hurt feelings. Okay, किसी के साथ बोल नहीं सकते हैं, वो सब आपके साथ बोल सकते हो, है ना. You can that's when you introspect. Okay, how do you reflect upon, okay, एक गलती हो गई, so you reflect upon that, or something you just missed, or it could be somebody has done something wrong to you. So all these comes under your reflection and introspection. So talk to yourself. That's the best therapeutic thing. In fact, बहुत सारे चीज़ें हैं which you can't do it right now. So at this present scenario, definitely you can try these, all of these what I'm talking about. Because talking to self तो हम लोग है ही है ना हमेशा. हम You are your best friend, so that you must believe in all the time. So bring out all the negative emotions. You want to curse, you want to झाड़ो and डांटो, कुछ भी करना है, but bring it out, and then you be clear with it, and then do the same kind of motivation again to yourself. Okay, पहले तो you crib, you you just trying to bring it out all the negative emotions, and then try to pacify yourself as if somebody is talking to you, as if somebody is motivating you. So this is self motivation, so you do it in a structured manner, then definitely helps. Yeah, this is about self talk or mirror talk. Always wear a smile when you're trying to connect within yourself, connect with your mind. So try and do this. So affirmations थोड़ा और डिटेल में बात कर सकते हैं. If anybody wants to know about it in detail, definitely you can ping me later. um, um, I can help with how you go about saying affirmations and all, so we can do it. Any other questions, or I'll just go on. Any questions? I didn't understand your point, Bhavna. It's kind of breakup song. क्या है वो? एक चीज़ आप याद रखिए. Whatever, I'm just adjusting. Come what may situation, okay, no matter what, how you are, always remember there is something beyond this as well. Okay, accept the reality and make the best out of any kind of worst situation. जो कुछ भी हो रहा है, so अभी क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? We are on lockdown, anybody can. So what are the positive things that you can do? There is so much of time. Of course, everybody is going through, everybody is cranky, everybody is okay. So Praja has a question for me. Okay. What is the most positive change you ever witnessed in yourself? Okay. I think, I don't know if you were there. I shared my journey. I shared what went wrong in my life, and the most beautiful thing I would say is the forgiveness sadhana. So, in fact, of many years back, as I said, when I fought depression and other stuff, so I was always, I mean, मेरी life में भी बहुत सारे challenges right from the beginning, many challenges in different forms. God has been testing me. Different forms. You name anything, I've been there. You name anything, any trauma, anything, I've fought, I've dealt with it. But this one thing, it was like blown me away. There was a rejection by a friend. Okay, I just could not take it because that was a very different kind of emotion. Um, I just felt like I should end myself, my life. And then I was introduced by a spiritual friend, a well-wisher. So तब ये जो spirituality की जो बात कर रही हूँ, so there's another thing I just would like to add here. Spiritual guru, if you are trying to seek in your life, हमेशा क्या हो जाते हैं, so हम गुरु के पीछे, in search of guru, पीछे पीछे जाते हैं, but no, guru chooses you. Yeah, this I have felt really, and I have experienced this in my life because those time की बात कर रही हूँ when I fought depression, when I was in depression, relationship issues, this and that, everything was a okay. So those times I was really seeking for some guru. Okay, I used to be searching a lot. Okay, I'm a firm believer of I'm a devotee of Babaji, Mahavtar Babaji. एक्चुअली उस टाइम की बात कर रही हूँ, तब तब मेरी लाइफ में आ चुके थे, इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया था, बट आई वॉज नॉट वेरी सीरियस अबाउट इट, आई वॉज नॉट वेरी कीन इन हिम, और आई डेंट नो how to go about. But then this it he keeps coming in my life, reminding me about, okay, I'm there, but I was ignorant. I could not just grasp or grab him into my पकड़ में नहीं रख सकते थे, वो नहीं हो रहा था because I was not at all connecting that time. But then over the period of time हर एक challenge introduce कर रहे थे ना, so as I said, I've been thrown different challenges, different traumatic events, different all bad things. I think he used to like me a lot. I think that's why he kept testing me. जो बोलते हैं ना, जो बहुत पसंद है तो he keeps testing you to make you more stronger, not to just give you only trouble. So ये सब इसके बाद after I got that realization, after I started practicing these things, ये जो forgiveness, I'm answering your question, Supraja. The forgiveness, what I talked about, there was one point in time it used to be there's a rejection, so I thought of okay, I don't want to live anymore because that was too much for me. So, and then this guru thing, he chose me. Okay, so he chose me as a medium, he chose me as the, and he's been there. I was trying to go beyond behind someone, but I could not do it. But I think he is already trying to catch me, but I was ignorant, as I said. So, as I started practicing this forgiveness every day, consistently, every day is to meditate and then do this gratitude and forgiveness. And then it changed the way I see life, the perspective, how I have to handle things, how I have to handle my emotions, जो built up negative emotions, built up stress, and all kind of depressive mood, mind state, and everything. It changed. Uh, but consistency very important. The spirituality, the holistic wellness, what I'm talking about is acceptance. Uh, Staying positive is what? Nothing but. See, I'm not saying कि all the time you only think about positive. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. So it is, of course, we're all human beings. I also encounter some kind of negativity. Sometimes I go down. But the point is, do not let it um, prolong it for a longer time. Okay, I don't feel good about it today, and learn to let it go. You take it easy. You calm down. That's where comes your prioritizing your important things and urgent things. You need to prioritize what is important, what is urgent. Certain things can wait. Okay, certain things can wait, and then you take a call. If you can't, if you feel you're overloaded, you are stressing yourself too much, let it go. Learn to let it go, learn to say no. That's very important. That's where sometimes we get overwhelmed by some situations, some people in our lives. We're not that kind of, okay, I can't say no. You overburden yourself. Yeah. So क्या हो जाता है फिर? You're suffering, you're suffocating, you are inside unable to handle this well, and then a blow up. Yeah. uh, so listen to your mind. I'm trying to say particular concept. We always must have heard, listen to your body. Yeah, what it says, slow down, eat this, eat, do not eat that, and everything. But have you ever listened to your mind? That's very important, because when your mind is saying it is too much, you're bothering me too much, okay, I want to calm down, I want to relax, still we don't listen to our mind, and then we keep pushing, we keep hoarding stuff too much, हम लोग ले रहे हैं. No, you can't handle this. Take a step back and then say no. I don't want to do this. Out of our reach. Yeah. So मैं बहुत करती हूँ आजकल कि see there was one thing again. मैं बहुत सारे live sessions ले रही हूँ, different groups. I'm also doing a webinar for a company. So I know my limit now. So I know to handle, okay, if I take on too many things, sometimes even my health goes down. So as I said, some days are good, some days are bad. I'm somehow coping up with the current situation, because I can't really stand and do, it's not, I'm not very energetic, it's very exhausting. बहुत सारे symptoms trigger हो जाते हैं, this heat and बहुत कुछ, but still I keep up to it, try and keep up to it. So whenever I feel okay, कुछ तो ठीक नहीं है, then I slow down. Either I tell my husband, okay, I'm not feeling good, I want to rest. So we just go slow. Or the other day, there was one session scheduled, so I just told the admin, okay, today I want to just relax and I can't handle it. So let it go. Certain things can wait, okay? Uh, we should be able to do that prioritizing. What is urgent? What is so unnecessarily? If you just keep bombarding everything in your mind, okay, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, that shouldn't be stressing, that shouldn't be overwhelming, right? Okay, आप बहुत कुछ करना चाह रही हो, yeah, everything, world is yours, you have all the time. ये लॉकडाउन और आगे चलने वाला है, आज नहीं तो कल करो ना. So why do you have to do everything on one particular day? I'm talking about, because why I'm talking about this particular concept is, so everybody wants to do something productive, do something creative, okay, to fight the boredom and to keep ourselves motivated. So just that's why I said listen to your mind. आज की सुबह उठते ही, how do you feel? Okay, that's where this introspection comes into picture. Do that self realization. Yeah, you see, just sit in 5 minutes silence. ये 5 minute 10 minute बहुत कुछ काम वेट कर सकते हैं. We don't do that. We don't allow that healthy talk within ourselves of 5 or 10 minutes in the whole day. Yeah. The moment you wake up, that's the best time. You don't have to just meditate करना है, ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. So it's just an experience. It's just the it comes by practice, of course, but try and sit in silence. That itself, changes your the whole perspective. Okay, what are the things that I want to do? Set up the intention. You want to do something different for today. This helps you to fight the frustration level, irritation level, or even the boredom. You can do just monotonous ho raha hai, so you want to change it, you want to do something different. There are so many things, there are so many talents, so many skills which is available online. You can, what is that forgotten passion of yours, what you've been doing in those days, or you had that passion to learn or something. Try and introspect and maintain a journal. Okay, what are the things that you want to do a checklist. Yeah, ये सब पहले prioritizing इसमें करना चाहिए. So the moment you wake up, you are in fresh state of mind. Okay, just listen to your mind, what it says. Okay, if it gives you any kind of signal, okay, I'm lethargy, I don't want to do anything, I feel like I want to chill and relax. Okay, talk to your spouse and make up your mind now. What are the things that makes you feel happy to come out of this boredom, and then do something productive? Okay, uh, cooking, cleaning every day करने के लिए बोर हो रहा है, so don't do it. Yeah, make it simple. In other words, I mean to say, so if cooking is bothering you, go slow. Okay, or you can just uh, change, order something, or do only eat only dal rice and divert your mind to something else which delights you the most. That's very important. Not for the just sake of it, मैं कुछ भी कर रही हूँ, ये भी करूँगी, वो भी करूँगी, नहीं होता है. So we are all human beings. Listen to your body first thing in the morning. How it is directing. It's all about your thought process. Yeah. So we are surrounded by energy aura. At the same time, our thoughts are powerful, very powerful. We can direct it in the same direction how we want it to be and where it has to go. It is in our hands. So आप यही affirmation है. So affirmation क्या हो जाता है? Law of attraction, what we are talking about. आपकी thoughts को आप direct कर सकते हो. We call it rest day. Yeah, we don't want to do anything physically if it is just bothering you, or you're doing something, your passionate thing only. Say for example, you like something to do, but उस दिन मन नहीं कर रहा है, हो जाता है. Of course, that's how our mind works. We have to direct our thoughts in the most energetic and the delightful way. So if you feel like if you don't want to do anything at all, just go and sleep. Sleep heals you very well. Yeah, sleep and stress is also interrelated. We get sleep disorders as one of the symptoms when you are overly stressed, or stress के कारण से भी sleep perfect हो जाता है. If you don't get sleep, you be stressful. So both are interrelated. And dehydration, ये दोनों चीज़ है which is very much interrelated. It's a proven science to keep away from stress, or to cope up, the coping up mechanism as we say. Yeah. So mirror talk हमने बात किया, talk self introspection, realization की बात कर रहे थे. Realization as in, as I talked about in the beginning, in the morning, what are the things that you would do as you wake up? Listen to your mind, how it says, you act accordingly, and you direct it in the positive way. Okay, मुझे ये सब, because thoughts are very powerful, how you want it, you can uh, let it go in the same direction. That's what affirmation we're talking about. Affirmation is nothing but law of attraction. You visualize in your mind and say it to yourself, that as if it is happening. Okay, I am strong, I am healthy, as if you're visualizing, I am healing well. Okay, I am healing all my pain, I am healing all my suffering. This is another great self-healing technique which is proven. I keep doing it every day, consistently, at night also, throughout the day also you can do it. This is nothing but मन में chant करना है, right? So you keep chanting. Actually, if you're a beginner to start with affirmation, you must do it 21 times. So 21 days, you know it, right? It becomes a habit forming it. So 21 times for 21 days, if you do it, then it becomes a habitual हो जाता है. So you can write it down, or you say it loudly, or sit in meditation and then visualize. Okay, like how we talk about, I used to organize this group meditation हमारे इसमें virtually, of course. उसमें manifestation की बात करते हैं, how we want to eradicate this coronavirus COVID-19 completely out of this earth. So this is about manifesting. We are eradicating. Already you're visualizing that it's gone. Yeah, so this is what is affirmation or manifestation. बहुत सारे techniques है इसमें. I'll just quickly type it out. There are different techniques how you can do the manifestation, but simple things is like saying it aloud. Yeah, 21 days, saying it aloud or in your visualization. How, what is your problem, so you can equate it into a positive affirmation, positive sentence, basically, that you are visualizing it as if it is happening right now. So it has to be in the present tense. So that's the way one has to go about affirmations. And another thing we already talked about, forgiveness, self introspection karo. uh, this is another coping mechanism, as I said. Journaling कर सकते हो. So right now we used to go out and all, वो नहीं कर सकते हैं. So journaling कर सकते हैं. It's a very good therapy. It's another detoxing technique. How we do it, we call it as empty jar technique. So whatever your frustration, you just write it in a chit. Either you uh, whatever you want to feel, however you're feeling right now, whatever your emotions are, chit वो एम्प्टी जार में डालते जाओ डालते जाओ डालते जाओ. सो इट्स कॉल्ड वरी कप. ओके, सो यू आर फीलिंग इट completely with, you're letting it go, you're venting it out. Okay, this is another हर 2 दिन में आप evaluate कर सकते हो, या after a week's time you can evaluate. Just take it out and then tear it off. You automatically feel it from inside that okay, this is gone. Yeah, this is one technique, छोटू सा एक technique है that we tell our clients. And then what else? Main important thing is about breathing and meditation. What I'm talking about, there are different types of meditation. Maybe next session हम लोग कर सकते हैं, एक live meditation session हो जाए. Kashish and Bhavna, you can let me know on that. How you have to go about if you're a beginner. And breathing, very important. Breathing, इसका कुछ टाइम ड्यूरेशन, टाइम लिमिट, ये इस टाइम पे करना है, वैसा कुछ नहीं है. ड्यूरिंग द डे यू कैन डू इट umpteen number of times, any time of the day. Okay, meditation भी वैसे ही है, but it's always good, we say, to do it in the morning or in the night, because you're either fresh in the morning or you're just trying to relax, you want to relax and go with that thought. Because when time going to bedtime, how your mind is, how your thought process is, that gets carried forward, right? So you can't sleep with a heavy heart, you have to let it go. Or you want to feel relaxed after a long day, kya hua kya nahi hua, and what went wrong. So night is also a very good time. As you go down to bed, there's sleeping meditations as well. Okay, we do a guided meditation. I conduct this online meditation workshop for 10 days, different days. Yeah, why I'm saying this worry cup, because अभी आजकल की बात कर रहे हैं, because what are the things that you can do sitting at home? Otherwise there are many things, go take a walk and be with the nature. अभी वो सब नहीं कर सकते. So I'm just sharing those light tips what you can do sitting at home, which will help you to come out of any kind of distressing situation or distressing emotions. You can beat that, as I talked about, many tips I've shared. Um, or in depth, very particularly, if you want to, I just want to make a comment here. If you feel like, please do approach me anytime. I'm willing to share some more tips. Anything specifically you want to chat and want to go for any counseling, I've been offering online counseling sessions as well, either Zoom or WhatsApp or just a call. Okay, I'm ready to do this. I've been doing as well. Please do reach out to me. Yeah, I'll leave my number as well, or ping me in WhatsApp or Messenger, anything. Okay, coming back to where were we? Yeah, breathing. So we're talking about the meditation and the so as we talked about, one such very effective, which you can do without anybody's help or without any looking up to something else, okay, to keep yourself away from all the stressing situation, is breathing and meditation. Believe me, as I said, I've been practicing for many years now. This one beautiful thing, it comes, you have to experience this. As I said, breathing कैसे करते हैं? You always start with a 10 cycle of breathing, deep abdominal breathing. Yeah, deep abdominal कैसे करते हैं? You inhale with your tummy coming out, okay, and exhale, tummy going inwards. So that means you're blowing a balloon, okay, visualize a balloon. It, this is the proper, just listen to me carefully, this is the proper way of breathing, okay. जब बच्चे पैदा होते हैं, this is how they breathe, but as we grow up we forget everything and then we get trapped in all of this. So this is a proven science, proven technique. मैं कर रही हूँ. मेरे जो पेन की बात कर रही थी ना, फिजिकल पेन एंड लेग पेन, दिस एंड दैट, आई हैव डेल्ट विथ इट विथ सेल्फ हीलिंग जो बात कर रही थी, बिकॉज देर इज नो ट्रीटमेंट, देर इज नो मेडिसिन, सो आई स्टिल हैव लेग पेन एट नाइट. दिस प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट इट सॉल्व, सो आई हैव स्लीपलेस नाइट्स एज वेल. सो व्हाट आई डू, सेल्फ हीलिंग अफर्मेशंस करती हूँ हर रोज, हर रात को सोने से पहले. आई एम स्लीपिंग वेल, I'm healing myself, I'm healing well without pain. Okay, this has been constant for many years now, since the trauma. And this is one affirmation. And the breathing, deep abdominal breathing, as it is, as I said, it's proven. So it's proven, it calms down the nervous system, it calms your mind. You are letting go of your anger, frustration, your anxiety, worry, fear, everything, all the stress. When you're feeling stressful, when you're anxious about, you're panicking something, do this deep breathing. ये बैठे बैठे खड़े होके भी कर सकते हैं, कभी भी कर सकते हैं. It's an instant technique. Apart from there are few other things, like हम लोग ये भी बोलते हैं, this another stress management is drink a glass full of water sip by sip. It's another science behind it. Of course, this is another coping mechanism to manage stress and anxiety. Immediately कम हो जाते हैं. आप गुस्से में हो या anger, if you're very angry, so sip by sip, if you drink water, that calms you down. And we also say about backward counting. So 10 to 0, 20 to 0, depending on your, these are all small tips and techniques. It's again therapeutic. Yeah. And deep breathing, I repeat, you visualize a balloon, how the balloon is blowing, it expands, right? So same way, when you inhale to the fullest capacity, filling all the way till your lungs, while expanding your belly. Okay, your belly has to come out, you can feel it with your hand when you do this. And then once you master it, then it becomes very normal. You always do this kind of breathing. Okay, it increases your immunity, and it increases the lung capacity to function effectively. And for depression and any kind of stress, phobia, anything related, it calms your mind. Yeah, it relaxes you definitely. Yeah. And kuch bhi pain hai, immediately, instantly, it takes time, of course, time of practice. Okay, consistently you have to do it, but always do it with 10 cycles. Yeah, hamesha 10 cycles, inhale exhale. And then there are holding techniques as well. Okay, you inhale, there are different techniques. Inhale, hold your breath, and then exhale. So ye inhalation exhalation, maybe it is related to your letting go of, okay, another stress related stress management. Why I said it's about when you sit in silence, you inhale and then think of all the problems, all the stress, all the trauma which is bothering you, and I'm exhaling all of it, all the negative emotions from your body. Okay, inhale all the positivity and exhale all the negativity. So this is how we do it. It's a guided meditation, of course. I can help you with. So breathing, again, as I said, there are immense benefits, help, uses of doing deep breathing alone and along with meditation. Visualization जो concept है, affirmations बोलते हैं, you visualize in your mind, in your calm mind, that you want this to happen. It is happening right in front of you. You picture that, you visualize that. Yeah. So this is another technique. And okay, so quickly I'll just give you a few more tips about for the body and to keep yourself feel light and everything. कुछ स्किन केयर टिप्स भी बता रही हूँ, detoxing again. I think, sorry, I got cut. There was some interruption. I'm back again. Hope you're with me. There was some interruption. Sorry about that. So breathing and breathing का बहुत कुछ जो भी है, I'll type it out in the comment section. Reply मैं डाल देती हूँ. कैसे करते हैं कुछ चीज़ें in detail. Of course, we're running short of time, I guess. So body and skin related, another detoxing what I wish to share here is Epsom salt. Okay, if you have Epsom salt at home, if you have any kind of essential oils, yeah, salt has all the capacity to release all the toxins from your body. Yeah, body as in you feel very relaxed. Okay, ये मैं पेन के लिए भी करती थी. When I'm in terrific pain, as I told you, there is no treatment or there is no. So I've tried all kind of aromatherapy and different natural herbal healing methods. उसमें एक है Epsom salt. Okay, you can take bath in Epsom salt. Okay, or if you don't have Epsom salt, abhi you can take normal salt. Okay, normal salt से लेके warm water, fill your tub if you have a tub or something. Just soak yourself, immerse yourself with some essential oils like lavender oil or rosemary oil or frankincense oil. Frankincense एक और oil होता है. So all these are pain relief oil, and it immensely soothes you, it relaxes you. Definitely there are therapeutic benefits of these Epsom salt and your essential oils. If you have leg pain, or pain के लिए मैं ऐसे ही करती थी, bucket fill करके, then I just put my feet into it, legs पूरा soak करके 20-30 minutes. This is very very relaxing and soothes your nervous system. And even for the body and mind, you can take a complete bath soaking. आराम से soak करके बैठ जाओ, लेटे रहो, tune on your music and everything, or just take that 20 minutes of time, 20 to 30 minutes to de-stress, detox. Okay, another few home remedies of skincare tips I would like to share before I leave. It's about अभी जो किचन की बात कर रही हूँ. We feel like detoxing के लिए स्पा जाते थे, भी पार्लर बंद है, सब कुछ बंद है. So what you can do it at home to for your anti-pigmentation. Basically, you want to feel really good, you want to have a glowing skin. घर बैठे बैठे ये जो किचन इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, कुछ कुछ चीज़ें. Yeah, sure, I'll give you the list of remedies in the post. ये लास्ट टिप मैं जो बता रही हूँ, दिस इज़ अबाउट फॉर योर स्किन केयर. फ्लैक्स सीड्स होगा आपके घर में, फ्लैक्स सीड्स और मसूर दाल, द ऑरेंज वन, या ऑरेंज मसूर दाल, और नटमेग, chocolate, or coffee powder. So all these things are helpful in removing the tan, in removing the pigmentation. It is kind of exfoliators, natural exfoliators. सो ये कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, आई जस्ट गिव यू अ टिप, एक टिप देती हूँ एंड देन आई थिंक वी कैन एंड द सेशन. इट इज़ अबाउट टेक मसूर दाल सबके घर में होती है, किचन में है, अवेलेबल है. थोड़ा सा लीजिए, हैंडफुल ऑफ इट, ग्राइंड इट इनटू अ फाइन पाउडर एंड देन सीव इट नाइसली, छान के लीजिए, वो नाइस पाउडर होना चाहिए. एंड देन use it along with your dahi or honey if you have. It just gives you a glowing skin. Okay, it removes the pigmentation and you feel fresh and automatically your मूड भी चेंज हो जाता है, या योर एंडोर्फिन्स बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस हो जाता है, स्टिमुलेट हो जाता है, या वी फील गुड, राइट? सो व्हेन वी हैव अ गुड स्किन एंड व्हेन वी डू समथिंग टू पैम्पर आवरसेल्फ, या दिस इज अनदर टिप. सेम वे नटमेग पाउडर, अगर जायफल जो पाउडर होता है, तो इफ़ यू हैव एनी ऑफ योर ग्लोइंग के लिए जो कुछ भी करते हो, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा नटमेग ऐड कर दीजिए. इट गिव्स अ ग्लोइंग स्किन, इट रिमूव्स द पिगमेंट. या another thing, as we said, is about coffee is a very good exfoliator. Coffee scrub बनाती हूँ मैं, so coffee or chocolate scrub. So all of it, what you have to do it as a scrub is when you do the bath salt bathing or soaking yourself, take a little bit of coffee powder, add coconut oil or olive oil, or if you have any other essential oils, just mix it. पूरा बॉडी में सोक करके जस्ट आराम से बैठ जाओ, रिलैक्स. इट गिव्स यू अ स्मूथ स्किन and nice skin, even for the skin face skin also you can do it. And I think, okay, yeah, thank you so much. Have a nice, wonderful evening, and I wish to connect with you all more in the upcoming sessions. So, anything that you want to hear or anything you want to practice, so you can just type it out. We can do those live sessions again. I think we are running short of time. Yeah, we will end this today. Thank you so much again, Win team, Bhavna, Neha, and Kashish, and who else? I don't know. I'm sorry. Thank you, Supraja. Thank you, all the viewers who have been watching, listening patiently. Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, sure. Waiting for more session on meditation. Yeah, it takes another good session because बहुत कुछ है. Thank you. We'll end. Bye bye.